This video is going to show you a sneak peek of my new Math and STEM accessibility lecture from within the Accessibility Guide community. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and here's a sneak peek of the items we will be going over during this lecture. So Math Accessibility Unraveled. Again, this is really where I like to have a discussion. So here are some considerations when making math accessible. We need to think about what the end goal platform is. So if you are posting in Canvas or Word or PowerPoint files or PDF or HTML, you need to make a decision as to what that route is going to look like, because there are so many different variables in creating accessible math and STEM that it's important to know exactly where we're going to take it. MathML is universally accessible. I know that we tend to talk a lot about LaTeX or latex, and I think that MathML is a little bit better, but it's all about how you create the math. Additionally, some considerations for math accessibility: you might need special software. So because of the different types of encoding that we have, you may need to get additional software, one of which is called MathType. It's a plugin that can go in most software developed by this company called Wireless. And MathType allows us to switch the encoding type of our equations very easily. There's this other, I feel like, revolutionary tool called MathPix, and it's an OCR tool that you can screen grab any equation and get the MathML encoding, the LaTeX encoding, the ASCII encoding, and actually a couple of different versions of those encoding types. You know, I'm so convinced that there wasn't that many people that made it to the end of this video. So if you made it to the end of this video, I've got a special discount code just for you, and that's gonna be TAG, T-A-G, math. There's a link in the description where you can sign up for the community. You just enter that code at the very end of the checkout process and enjoy that 50% off. That concludes today's sneak peek of my new Math STEM lecture. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.